Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on PS4. First, navigate to the PlayStation Store on your console. Search for Call of Duty Warzone and download the free-to-play game. Make sure you have sufficient storage, as the game typically requires over 100 gigabytes. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so ensure your PS4 is connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Mastering movement is key in Warzone. Use the left analog stick to navigate the map and the right stick to control your camera and aim. Press X to jump over obstacles or climb ledges, and hold circle to slide or go prone for cover. When engaging enemies, use L2 to aim precisely down your weapon sights and R2 to unleash a barrage of bullets. Practice these fundamental controls to gain an advantage. Looting is essential for survival. Scour buildings and supply crates for better weapons, armor plates, and valuable cash. You can use this cash at buy stations scattered across the map to acquire powerful kill streaks, additional armor, or even bring back fallen squad mates. Remember to customize your preferred weapon loadouts in the main menu before a match to be ready for any combat scenario. Warzone offers exciting game modes. In Battle Royale, your goal is to be the last squad standing against up to 150 other players as the gas closes in. Resurgence provides a quicker experience, allowing you to respawn if a teammate is still alive. Always stick with your squad, communicate enemy positions, and strategically navigate the map to stay within the safe zone and secure victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.